This is chapter 10, class 10, electricity. We're starting with the numericals, the first test, 12A, okay? Here you have to, as soon as you finish this class, you memorize and write from memory, write the following, write it down, following 15 formulae. Formulae means plural, okay? I'll explain it to you. Now the first formula that we need to know here is, we'll give in boxes. I is equal to Q by T, okay? So this you memorize. Here I'll say once, I means current, Q means charge, okay? And T is time. Current, charge, and time, okay? And second formula in electricity, we're going to start with the numericals, so memorize the formulas first. V is the potential difference, as I write I'll let you know, or voltage it is also called, is work divided by charge Q, which can be written also as energy by Q, because work and energy are same. So memorize this second formula. The third formula is, this is not exactly formula, conversion. 1 ampere equal to 1000 means 10 to the power 3 milliampere. And then 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Just memorize it, okay? Just memorize it. Take this one as one formula only, okay? This conversion factor only 4. Is the Ohm's law, the famous Ohm's law. So the Ohm's law equation is V, potential difference, is equal to voltage, or potential difference is equal to I into R, current into resistance. Potential difference, current, resistance, V equal to I into R. The famous Ohm's law equation. All these boxes you memorize, no need of the explanation, but the boxes, and write it in the same sequence and submit your answer for correction. Next here, there are two types of connection. When resistors are in series, one connection is called series. The formula to calculate total resistance, R as total resistance in series, will always be first resistance plus second resistance plus third resistance, etc., fourth, fifth, if it's there, okay? So when it's in resistance, it's always R1 plus R2 plus R3, etc. 6 resistances, or resistors, or resistances, is the meaning is same. Resistors in parallel. Now, when they are in parallel, the formula for that is reciprocal of total. RP is the total resistance in parallel, okay? RP is equal to reciprocal of first resistance 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, etc. If there are more than 3, more than 2, it goes like that. Formula for total resistance in parallel, total resistance in series, okay? So this is another box that you need to memorize. Box it. Next, 8th formula. Here, power is equal to work divided by time, or work is equal to energy, so energy by time also. So basic formula for power, just memorize it. And number 9, power is equal to W by T. Just now we learned it. So that will be equal to, here we know, you see here, W is, if you shift W equal to, then Q will go and multiply V. So W equal to V into Q. Q will go up, no? So here, in place of W, we can put VQ by T, okay? Now again, we know here that, I'm just explaining the formula. You just have to memorize. You don't have to write this on your test paper, only the boxes, okay? But I'm just explaining. We also know that I is equal to Q by T. Look here, I equal to Q by T. So this Q by T can be replaced by I, then it will become So P equal to V into I, famous equation. Memorize only this. But I'm explaining so you will understand, okay? But you don't have to give these reasons. So here you write since. So next box here. Then number 10 is P equal to VI, you go just now. So there will be V equal to here, see, I into R. Since V equal to I into R, this V can be replaced by I into R into I. So there will be I square R. So V equal to I square P equal to I square R is another famous equation for power. 1, 2, 3 power equation. Then number 10, 11. Here 11. P equal to V into I again, let us write down. Then here V into I, you see here, can be written as this V and R will come down. So V by R will come down. So in place of I, V by R you can put, because we know from Ohm's law equation I equal to V by R. So that will give you E equal to V into V squared by R. So the next famous equation for power, 11. Then let us go to 12. The rest are quite easy, I think. 12 will be heat and energy are same, okay, is equal to, now P is equal to E by T, we learned just now here. So E will be equal to P into T. See, P will go up. So P into T, that's the first equation for energy or work or heat also, you can say. Because heat is energy, energy is heat, and heat and energy are work. Next here, look at this one. H equal to E. E is equal to P into T, means this is P, you see. This one is P. So P is here, VI, and then T will be added, that's all. Right, number 14, look at this formula. H equal to E equal to P into T again. So next here, P is this one, number 10. So I square, R is the P, and T means there, I square RT. 15 is H equal to E equal to, let me just explain if you want, P into T. So P here is V square by R, you can see here, and T here. So H equal to E equal to V square T by R is another equation. So these 15 boxes you memorize and write from memory and submit it. From the next class, you can start doing the numerical more easily that way. Okay, I hope that's clear.